Vidya Miran. This video is made for class 10 on chapter number 8, Introduction to Trigonometry, and today we are going to begin with exercise 8.3 from NCERT. Now this exercise is based on trigonometry ratios of complementary angles. So what are complementary angles? Whose sum is 90 degree. So 45 and 45 is complementary angles. So like that we will find out that. Now suppose we have sine 90 minus theta. It is given theta is any angle for us. So that will be written as cos theta. Now suppose that theta is 30 degrees. Just example I am giving. So sine 90 minus 30 degrees, that will be written as cos 30 degrees. And what is 90 minus 30? That is 60. That means if we are given sine 60, that 60 can be written as 90 minus 30. Okay. So sine 90 minus 30 will be now become cos 30. Like that we are going to do this exercise. Same way, if we are writing cos in 90 minus theta, then it will become sin theta. Theta will be again the angle we are taking over here. Tan 90 minus theta will be cot theta. Similarly, cot 90 minus theta will be tan theta. Secant 90 minus theta will become cosec theta, and cosecant 90 minus theta will become secant. So sin will be replaced by cos, tan will be replaced by cot, and secant will be replaced by cosecant. Same way it's reciprocal. Let's do question number 1. Evaluate sin 18 degrees upon cos 72 degrees. Now we know sin 90 minus theta, if I do, it will become cos theta. So what I will do is, I will make numerator and denominator same, which means either numerator should be cos or denominator should be sin. How will I do that? In the numerator it is given to us sin 18 degrees. How will I write 18? 18 will be 90 degree minus 72 degrees. That is 18. Now suppose I want to replace 72 degrees, it will become 90 minus 18. So we will choose any one. So let me take sin 90 minus 72. So 90 minus 72, if I subtract it, it is 18 degrees. That is my numerator. But when I am writing it is in 90 minus theta form, then the result will be cos theta. That means I will write cos 72 upon cos 72, which is equal to 1. Both will get cancelled and it will get 1. Tan 26 degree upon cot 64 degrees. So tan 26 and cot both are reciprocal of one another, and if you see 26 and 64, they both are complementary angles. Now if I want to change tan into cot, then what should I do? What is 26 now? It is a gap of 90 minus 64. So tan into 90 minus 64 means cot 64. And in the denominator cot 64 is already there. So it both gets cancelled and answer comes out to be 1. Cos 48 degrees minus sin 42 degrees. Again if we see cos and sin, they both are reciprocals of one another. And if I say 48 degrees and 42 degrees, they both are complementary. So let us change any one. If I want to write cos 48 in 90 degree form, it will be written as cos into 90 minus 42 minus sin 42. Now I can change it. It will become sin 42 degrees minus sin 42 degrees. When we subtract, it will get 0. Cosec 31 degrees minus secant 59 degrees. Now cosecant and secant, they are reciprocals of one another. 31 and 59, they are complementary for one another. So let us convert cosecant into secant. So cosecant can be written as 90 minus 59, that is 31 degrees. But if I want to write it in a singular form, it will become secant 59 minus secant 59. Answer comes out to be 0. You can convert any one, cosecant into secant or secant into cosecant. Anything you can do it. So here I am taking first step only I am doing it. So if you do want to change secant, you can do that also, answer will come 0 only. Show that tan 48 degrees, tan 23 degrees, tan 42 degrees, tan 67 degrees is equal to 1. Now here first let us find out which are the complementary angles over here. If you see tan 48, its complementary will be 42, both becomes 90. Similarly, tan 23 and tan 67, they are complementary to one another. So let me write that together. So I will regroup it. For the left hand side case, tan 48, tan 42, tan 23, tan 67. Now tan opposite is cot, it's reciprocal. So I can write now tan 48 as tan 90 minus 42, and tan 42 is already there. For the second bracket, tan 23 can be written as tan 90 minus 67. So if I want to now rewrite it, I convert it, tan will become cot 42, tan 42, both are reciprocal, it will become 1. Tan 90 minus 67 is cot 67, and tan 67, both are reciprocal, they will cancel, it is again 1. So answer is 1. Cos 38 cos 52 minus sin 38 sin 52 is equal to 0. We have to prove this. Now either we can convert cos into sin, or we can convert sin into cos, then only it can be equal to 0. So in my case I am converting cos into sin. So cos is given 38 and cos is given 52. What is 38? 38 can be written as 90 minus 52. And 52 can be written as 90 minus 38, which becomes sin 52 sin 38 minus of sin 38 sin 52. If we both cancel, it becomes 0. So that means our left hand side is equal to right hand side, and hence we have proved it. If tan 2a is equal to cot a minus 18 degrees, where 2a is in an acute angle, find the value of a. Now the situation given to us is tan 2a is equal to cot a minus 18. So what we will do is either both left hand side and right hand side should be tan, or it should be cot. Now it is easy to convert it into cot for the left hand side. That means tan 2a is given to us. How we can write it? We can write it cot 90 minus 2a. Okay. So cot 90 minus 2a, the result is tan 2a. So we have written it in our opposite manner. So now instead of tan 2a, we will write cot 90 minus 2a, which is equal to cot a minus 18. Now left hand side, right hand side, both are cot. Just ignore it and find the value of a, which comes out to be 36 degrees. If tan A is equal to cot B, prove that A plus B is equal to 90 degrees. So we are given tan A is equal to cot B. So either convert tan into cot or convert cot into tan. So if I am converting cot B can be written as tan 90 minus B. So what is tan 90 minus B? Result is cot B. So I can rewrite in that form. So tan A is equal to tan 90 minus B. Now both left hand side and right hand side we have tan, we can ignore it. So at the end we get A plus B is equal to 90, and hence we have proved it. If secant 4A is equal to cosecant A minus 20 degrees, where 4A is an acute angle, find the value of A. Now we are given to us secant 4A is equal to cosecant A minus 20 degrees. Now it is easy to convert 4A. 4A can be written as 90 degree minus 4A. So that is cosecant 90 minus 4A will result in secant 4A. So now I have written it cosecant 90 minus 4A in place of secant 4A, which is equal to cosecant A minus 20 degrees. Now ignore cosecant, you get 90 minus 4a is equal to a minus 20 and you get a as 22 degrees. If A, B and C are interior angles of a triangle ABC, then show that sin B plus C upon 2 is equal to cos A upon 2. Now we know that sum of the interior angle is 180 degrees. So A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degrees. So now B plus C is equated with A. So B plus C is equal to 180 minus A. Now we need 90 degrees to relate our answer. So what we will do is we will divide both the sides by 2. So left hand side we got B plus C upon 2 and right hand side we get 90 minus A upon 2. Now in this case let us multiply both the sides by sine. So left hand side will become sine B plus C upon 2 and right hand side will become sine 90 minus A upon 2. And what is sine 90 minus theta? That is cos theta. So I can write it cos A upon 2 and hence we have proved that sine B plus C upon 2 is equal to cos A upon 2. Express sine 67 plus cos 75 in terms of trigonometry ratios of angles between 0 and 45 degrees. Now sine 67 it is can be written as 90 minus 23 and cos 75 can be written as 90 minus 15. Now when we write sine 90 minus 23 in place of sine 67 and in place of cos 75 we will write cos 90 minus 15. What does it become? It will become, in the first case it will become cos 23 degrees and cos will become sine 15 degrees and hence we have expressed it in between 0 degrees and 45 degrees. That's all for this exercise, children. I hope you must have found it very easy. It was very simple. Just understand who is related with which ratio so that you don't get confused. Please, you can choose any method. Either you can convert the first one or you can convert the second one. That is up to you, up to your choice. Whatever way you want to find it easier, you can do it. Thank you children so much for watching the video till the end. Very soon I am going to come with the next. Till then, see you children. Goodbye. Take care.